Once I have my artist statement written, I am going to go ahead and put together my art gallery slide. So there's just a few things here that I need to include. So first of all, I can easily go into my artist statement. I'm going to select all the text that I wrote in my right column here only, and I'm going to copy and paste it. So I'm going to do edit, copy, and then I'm going to go to my art gallery slide, and I am going to paste. So you can see it takes all of that text and puts it into one long thing. Now, a couple things. If your text is too long to fit in that box, what you can do is highlight your text and you can make the font smaller if you need to. You can also, you're welcome to change the font if you like. Make sure you pick a font that's reasonably easy to read. Some of the fonts, like let's say if you pick Lobster, that's a hard font to read, a lot of, so I would stick to something like Times New Roman, Arial, something a little bit on the easier side to read. I personally like Garamond. That's my preferred font. Okay, so once I have the text in there, it looks like I have the word collage showing up as misspelled. Oh, it's wanting to do it as college, not collage. That's fine. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I need to also give my artwork a title. So actually, first before I do my title, I'm going to go ahead and bring in my artwork. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my folder, and I'm just going to drag and drop it. What I want you to think about is the fact that I want you to make sure that your artwork is as big as it can be on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and drag my artwork. Here it is. And I'm going to drag it and drop it. So I want it to be as big as it can be on the slide without without flowing over that that initial box. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and scale it down. And it basically should fit kind of within the boundaries of the box that I had, and then you can delete that box that was behind it, like that. So there's my artwork. You want to leave the back button alone. That's something that Miss McKee and I are going to use to program the virtual gallery once it's done. So the only other thing that I need to do now is title my artwork. So I'm going to call this one Ebb and Flow. And then I'm going to put my name, first and last name, because I'm the artist. Again, with the title and your name, you may change the font if you like. For a heading like your title of your artwork, you can choose a more decorative font. That's totally fine, because you don't. It's easy. It's fine to do it when you're not doing a lot of writing. That's kind of the rule of thumb. So you can choose whatever font you want here that expresses your the way you want to. I'm also going to add some paragraph breaks in here because this feels a little bit dense to read. And then this is it. My slide is now finished once I have all of that content in there. I want to make sure that I proofread my artist statement, make sure it makes sense, make sure that there's no like typos in there, and then I'm done. That's it.